Good day, everyone. We are the Group 3, and what we are going to present to you is Rizal's surnames and the origin of his nickname Pepe. Our group is consists of 7 members, namely Bebelin Maming, Billy Joe Manalo, Maria Buena Gracia Perlas, Crystal Jane Manuba, John Mike Malubag, Luigi Palatino, and Sandrex Mangkukang. Our topics are consist of his name Jose and his surnames Protasio, Mercado, Rizal, Alonzo, Rialonda, and the origin of his nickname Pepe. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Rialonda, or Jose Rizal, is one of the most important Filipino heroes and was renowned for his significant involvement in the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. He had possessed various surnames that symbolizes his rich heritage and familial ties, each carrying distinct significance and contributing to his identity. Let me welcome you, the first reporter, Miss Bebelin Mami.
So the name Jose was chosen by his mother, Chodora Alonso, who had a deep devotion for Saint Joseph. Naming him after Saint Joseph was a way to show her faith and hope that Jose would grow up with the saint's virtues. During the Spanish period, it was a common tradition for Filipino families to name their children after saints they worship, reflecting the family's religious beliefs and aspirations for their child's future. So during the Spaniards' colonization, tradisyon na ng mga Pilipino na bigyan ng pangalan ng kanilang mga anak sunod sa pangalan ng mga santo. So ang pangalang Jose ay ipinangalan ni Chodora Alonso sa kanyang anak na si Jose Rizal bilang pagbibigay ng parangal at pagpapakita ng pananampalataya kay Saint Joseph.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Rialonda, also known as Jose Rizal, was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. His full name reflects both personal and cultural significance. His parents, Francisco Mercado and Teodora Alonso, called him Jose Protasio in honor of two Saint Joseph, a famous figure in Catholicism, and his mother, patron saint, and Saint Protasio, whose feast day coincides with Rizal's birthday. This pattern emphasizes both religious devotion and cultural practice of honoring two saints by a naming. Despite his entire name, Rizal is often known as Jose Rizal.
The surname Mercado of Jose Rizal originated from his paternal ancestor, Domingo Lamco, a Chinese merchant. In 1697, to avoid discrimination against Chinese people in the Philippines, Domingo Lamco adopted the surname Mercado, which means market in Spanish. His father, Francisco Mercado, continued using this surname. However, to further avoid suspicion from the Spanish authorities, Francisco chose the surname Rizal, originally Rizal, meaning green fields or new growth. Ang apelyedong Mercado ni Jose Rizal ay nagmula sa kanyang paternal na ninuno na si Domingo Lamco, na kung saan si Domingo Lamco ay ang lolo sa tuhod ni Jose Rizal. Upang maiwasan ang diskriminasyon laban sa mga Chino, minabuti ng kanyang lolo o ni Domingo Lamco na baguhin ang apelyido ni Mercado ni Jose Rizal, na nangangahulugan na ang Mercado ay pamilihan. Hanggang sa ang ama na ni Rizal ang nagpatuloy sa paggamit ng apelyidong Mercado. Ngunit napag-isip-isip din naman ng ama ni Rizal na masigit na makakaiwas sila sa suspisyon ng mga Espanyol kung pipiliin nilang palitan na lang yung apelyedong Mercado sa Rizal.
The surname Rizal is adopted by the Mercados during the 1849's compliance to the Claveria Decree. So yun pong Claveria Decree was implemented by Narciso Claveria, which was the Governor General of the Philippines that time, ensuring na lahat ng tao or every single first person that time has a surnames. So pinapapili po ulit sila dun sa listahan ng mga surnames kung anong gusto nilang surnames. So Yung mga Spanish surnames po ng mga ninuno nating Pilipino is hindi lahat na nangangahulugan na may Spanish ancestry sila. Dun sa Catalogo Alfabetico de Apellidos naman po, which has 24 clauses in the Claveria Decree on how to implement the surnames throughout the Philippines, bawat namumuno po noon is may kanya-kanyang kopya. So yung family's original choice was Rizal, Rizial, as a Spanish word pronounced as Rizial, which means green of young growth or green fields or ready for harvest, reflecting yung kabuhayan nila nung mga panahon na yon, which is a tenant farmers. So yung sa page 111 of Catalogo Alfabetico de Apellidos, yung surname po nila is nag-appear as Rizal, spelled as R-I-S-A-L. Then later adapted as Rizal, spelled as R-I-Z-A-L.
Alonso, old surname of Jose Rizal's mother. The name Alonso in relation to Jose Rizal came from his mother's family lineage. Jose Rizal's full name is Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Riolanda, reflecting the Spanish naming custom of the time, which incorporated both paternal and maternal surnames. So, what is the origin of Alonso? Alonso is a masculine name of Spanish and German's origin. The name means noble, brave, eager, and ready for battle or eagle for war. The Alonso family belong to Filipino mestizo class. Ang ibig sabihin daw po is kabilang po ang pamilyang Alonso sa klase ng mestizong Pilipino na may pinaghalong Espanyol at katutubong Pilipino. This social class was known for being relatively well-off and educated. Kapag kabilang ka daw po sa mestizo class na pamilya, ikaw daw po is kilala bilang medyo may kayang pamilya at nakapag-aral. Siyempre, during that time, kapag nakapag-aral ka, magkakaroon ka po ng impluwensya sa mayayamang pamilya or sa mga Espanyol. The family adopted the surname Riolanda as part of a decree by Spanish Governor General Narciso Claver in 1849, which required Filipino families to adopt permanent surnames.
Riolanda in Rizal's name. It was used by Doña Teodora by the surname of her godmother based on the culture by the time. Their family adopted the surname Riolanda de Rizal because it was a culture for able family. Thus, when his mother Teodora was baptized the name Riolanda, her godmother's was added to her name, and later on Rizal's himself gave in a letter to Blumentritt the complete of his mother.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Riolanda. That was the full name of Dr. Jose Rizal. So bakit nga ba Pepe ang nickname ni Dr. Jose Rizal na hindi naman nagra-rhyme or halos walang connection sa kanyang name? So, let's find out saan nga ba nanggaling, who gave him his nickname at siya nito nag-originate. So turns out, yung pangalan niya na Jose Rizal was named by his mother, who was a devotee of the Christian Saint San Jose or Saint Joseph, after Saint Joseph, the earthly father of Jesus, as a tribute to the saint. In Latin and Spanish, Saint Joseph is referred to as Pater Putativus, or in English, Putative Father, abbreviated as P and P. In Filipino, these initials is pronounced as Pepe, a common nickname. The name stuck, and Rizal went on to use it throughout his life. In addition to Pepe, Rizal was also known by several other nicknames, including Peping and Pepito. These names were also given to him by family members and friends and reflect an affection and respect that Rizal inspired those around him. So turns out na ang kanya daw na nickname na Pepe ay yun po yung abbreviation ng Pater Putativus, which is sa Latin ay Saint Joseph, yung earthly father ni Jesus Christ.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Riolanda, also known as Jose Rizal, had a complex and rich naming history that reflected various cultural, religious, and historical influences. His name carried deep meanings, symbolizing his heritage, family ties, religious devotion, and even historical circumstances such as Claveria decree. The complicated origins of his name offer insights into the diverse cultural Filipino society during his time and highlight the significance of naming traditions within families.